How to change the language in Google Photos on your phone. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in Google Photos on your phone. If your Photos app is showing a language you don't understand, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step to fix it. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Manage your Google account. Now in the search bar at the top, type Language and choose Preferred Language. Go ahead and on pen icon to change it to the language you want to use. You'll probably notice that the language in Google Photos hasn't actually changed yet. That's totally normal. And here's why. Google explains that the Photos app uses your device language, not just your Google account language. So to fix this, open your phone's Settings app. In the search bar, type Language again and select Language and Input or System Language, depending on your device. Now change your device language to the one you prefer. After doing this, the language in Google Photos should update automatically. If you still see some parts in the old language, simply restart your phone, and everything should refresh correctly. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the language in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.